Alright, you're welcome to another session of this Boomplay tutorial course. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing to you how to get familiar with the tools, with the features on the new BoomLive application. I'm sure you are aware that the Boomplay Music app released a streaming application called BoomLive. So I'm going to be helping you explore the app, explaining the different tools, how to locate different tools and their purposes on the BoomLive. So this is the app you are downloading. In case you don't have it, this is the BoomLive app. This app here. So this app, you are downloading this app called BoomLive. So once you open the application and you've logged in your details, I explained how you can log in your details in my first video about BoomLive regarding how to get used to the new app, the new standalone app. If you check my YouTube videos on the Boomplay playlist, you'll see it. So once you log into your BoomLive application like this, it takes you straight to the home page, okay, where you can see the event banner. This thing that is moving here is called event banner. This agency glory, Boomplay Live App, BoomLive is out. So it is called the banner where you get information, okay, from BoomLive directly. Then below you can see the host ranking. If you click on more, you see the different hosts and different positions based on the number of people that are giving out, and also those that are also this time who are hosts. So let me click on more. Once you click on more, it will open up. As you can see, under host ranking, you can see the number of gifters, the top gifters on the platform. We have hourly, we have daily, we have weekly, we have monthly. So for the top gifters hourly, it will display here. Then as you can see, there's a timer here showing after the next 2 minutes it will reset, it will refresh. Are you getting me? So we have daily, the top gifters daily, the top weekly gifters, and the top monthly gifters. Likewise hosts too. Under hosts, you can see the different hosts and their ranking in terms of hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. So that is how it works. Then below you can see the different live broadcasts of different people. Alright. Then by this corner here is the current event that is going on, which is agency glory. This is the current event going on. Then as always, this microphone is how you used to kickstart your live stream. Alright. So if you click on related over here, you can see the different live phones you've explored before. Why this place here is for you. This is your live stream, your personal live stream. If you click on it, you just go to your live panel, but I advise you to use your mic so you can always remind people. You can activate the notification button of inviting your followers to join your live stream. Then below we have recent. Like I said, this is where you see a live stream of other people that you joined before. Then we have following. Now this is the live form of people that you are following. So if you are following anybody on the platform who is a live streamer, under here you can see all of them in the live panel. Then let us go to game. Under game, you see the list of games, but it's not showing right now. So let us go back to home. Under home. So below here we have home, we have video, we have chat, we have me. So I've explained what this home is all about. Let us go to video now. So under video you see the video live streamers, different video live streamers. Wow, they're actually much than before. So we have the video live streamers over here, and you just need to click on the one you want to attend. You get me? Then we have chat. Under chat we have messages, we have chat. So under chat, this is where you see messages of people you've chatted with. Alright. Then under messages you get your follower notification over here. If somebody followed you, it will be displayed here. Then if you're getting any messages here, maybe directly from Boomplay, like for instance now, this Boom Live Stream, DF is a wisdom prepared, start the event link below to join in the event Agency Glory Championship. So this is what I'm talking about. This is where you get notifications regarding you as a host and also from the Boom Live Stream. Then below it we have the recommendation page. Alright, as you can see, there are some people having the word popular. This sort of people are influencers. If you check this person's on now, you see that he has over 137,900 and he joined 2021. Like I said, as of 2022, then Boomplay was recruiting people to be an influencer, so he was one of them, as you can see, 2021. So that is it for the chat page. Now let us go to me. Under me you can see everything about you. Okay, you can see everything about you, starting from your name, your Boom ID, your different levels, down to your profile picture, to following, number of people you're following, number of fans you have, number of bitcoins, number of B-stars, number of coins you have, number of B-stars, number of transaction bitcoins. So if you click on B-stars, it will take it straight to your B-star wallet. If you click on bitcoins, take it straight to your Bitcoin wallet. Are you seeing it? Then if you click on VIP, it will take it to VIP. If you click to Noble, it will take it to Noble. If you click on invite, it will take you to your invite page, where you will see your list of people you've invited, together with the B-stars, pending B-stars that you've not claimed. Okay. Then if you click on a fan club, it will take you to the list of people you're following. Then host level, it will show you your level as a host. Okay. Then we have live data. If you click on live data, it will show you your analytics, your performance as a live streamer. Likewise, backpack. On that backpack, you can see your entrance effects, you can see your badges and all that. Feedback. If you're having any issues with your account, you can send the feedback to the admins through your account. Under agency, you can see details about your agency. That is if you are an agent too, or if you are just an ordinary host who have joined an agency, you can see the name of your agency that you joined, with the leader's name, together with the number of people, the number of members who are running their live stream, and also the total number of members in the agency. Then we have user level, we have about, we have settings, we have account. So this is what you need to know. Then if you click on your name over here, if you click on it, it will give you more details about your account. It will give you more details about your account. Are you seeing it? So if you click on edit profile here now, you will see you can be able to edit your profile picture, you can edit your this thing, your cover photo, and every other details you need to work upon. Then one more thing before I conclude, if you go back to the home page and you click on search button, you can put in the Boom ID of anybody that you are looking for on the platform to locate their account. So if I just click on this person's Boom ID now, okay, let us use my own name instead. Let us use my own Boom ID. So if I post my Boom ID here and click on search, you see it brought out my account. So this is how you search for people using their Boom ID also. So thank you very much for watching this video on how to get familiar with your BoomLive application. So if there's any more thing you're having difficulties, you can actually chat me up on WhatsApp, or you simply make a comment in the comment section, and whenever I come online and I see it, I will respond to your question. So thank you once more for consistently watching my videos. Thank you, and please continue to support by giving a like to this video, commenting, sharing this video, and also subscribing to my account. That is what motivates me to create more videos. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.